Mic checks are proper है?
देख सही लग रहा है. Cool.
So now we'll start off with a story like you were diagnosed with diabetes when you were 10 years old.
Bro, 1 second. Are we doing this again?
That's how the script is, right?
It's been done too many times and I'm really tired. Like everyone on the internet knows this. Can we do something different?
So like what do you want to show now?
This show is called Unfiltered.
Yeah, Fame Unfiltered.
Fame Unfiltered.
Yeah.
Let's unfilter it.
Let's go.
Let me tell you the real story about myself and my life. Hi, my name is Harsh Kedia and this is my reality. Everyone knows that I was diagnosed with diabetes at the age of 13 and a half, 14, and it does sound like a little bit of a sad story. But what people don't know about me is that I love playing chess and I've trained in professional theatre for 9 years, which meant that I learned the tips and tricks of mimicry, mime artwork, improv comedy, improv, stand-up, recitation poetry before I learned trigonometry or even basic arithmetic.
He's not very good with numbers.
650 का actually, तो 1300 मिठाई, then 350, 450, 500, 1800 that plus जो भी, तो 2400 के आसपास पड़ जाना चाहिए.
But he's incredibly smart in other things, so he manages it.
I've had a wonderful journey throughout growing up. Of course, it has its own problems and hindrances, but this is my reality.
मुझे फर्स्ट टाइम जब पता चला हर्ष को डायबिटीज़ है, मुझे बहुत ख़राब लगा. मैं सोच रही थी मैं मेरे बच्चे को कैसे हैंडल करूँगी, इतनी छोटी उम्र में इसको डायबिटीज़ हो गई. फिर इसने मन बनाया कि मैं पुणे जाके स्टडीज़ करूँ, तो मेरा मूड बहुत ख़राब था. मैं बहुत मेंटली प्रिपेयर नहीं थी कि इसको पुणे भेजूँ, क्योंकि डायबिटीज़ थी. तो इतनी छोटी उम्र में कैसे अपने आप को हैंडल करेगा.
So Diabetic Chef came to me as a passion project back in school when I thought that people like me, there are kids like me who are diabetic, उनको शायद वो मीठे की ज़रूरत हो. मुझसे चॉकलेट्स, स्वीट्स वगैरह छीन ली गई थी, जिस दिन मैंने डिसाइड किया कि एक दिन मैं खुद के लिए कुछ बनाऊंगा जो दुनिया खा पाए. Which is why we make these packaged sugar-free chocolates, chocolate spreads and stuff, which work really well. This is the orange sugar-free chocolate. This is my mom's favorite. This chocolate was launched because my mother loves it so much, and I really think you guys should try it as well.
जितना हो सकता था मैंने इसके लिए किया, आज भी करती हूँ, और ये भी मुझे बहुत प्यार करता है.
Hi, I am Aryan Jain, Harsh Kedia's partner at Conscious Mithai Wala, friend and a brother in need. When it comes to his creative work, he is crazy about it. Like, you have to tell him why you do not agree with it. But because he's very passionate about the creative thought process behind the marketing, branding, and all these things. And he's very headstrong about his thought process. Eventually, I realized he's right most of the time, but I wouldn't like to agree and tell it on his face because ज़्यादा ही उछलेगा फिर बंदा.
Now when it comes to who I really am as a person, see, you can't translate someone's individuality on the internet. Like, you can't find me as is on my social media, because this is not the house of Big Boss where I am being translated as is live in action. So only the parts that I would like to show the world that go out, go out. I am truthful, I'm very honest, I'm very blunt. Chocolates आ गई मुलुंड में, वो क्या कोको पॉट्स उगा रही है क्या? But what the fuck, 4 दिन से चॉकलेट नहीं बनी है भाई. देखा कितनी जल्दी बनाई, सेट हो गई. अभी 15-20 मिनट में इतनी तैयार हो जाएगी कि पैकिंग करके बेच सकता हूँ मैं दुकान पे. अच्छी नहीं लगी तुम लोग को तो. तेरा भी पूछना है इनको सवाल है थोड़े. हाँ, तेरे बारे में नहीं, मेरे बारे में साले.
We had a good experience on. We spent a very good time over there, and it was great working with him. I think he's a great boss, and he always give freedoms to the employees, and it was really good that we have a good opportunity and we have to explore things.
ये मेरे को ले गया था. He forced me to fucking audition, bro. They called me, they were like, we want you to come to the show. I said, no, I'm not doing it. He sat me down, he's like, sir, sales के लिए help करें. आप जाओ. People at my shop, they're like, वो हर्ष किधर है? I'm like, नहीं आप नहीं वो. I'm like, एक तो कैमरा पे you look fucking 50% bigger. Yeah, I was made to look, and they gave me such horrible outfits. They were like, no bro, you think I'll wear that on national television? They didn't do my hair well, my makeup made me look like...
You're always sad in those.
Hey, ये देख. मेरे को sad दिखाया है लोग ने पूरा. सबको लगता है मैं sad हूँ. I had 250 people waiting outside my shop on opening day because of... Like, it's a small fucking place. It's like 200 square feet. 12 people come, it looks like a full house. 200 लोग सोच रोड पे लोग खड़े थे. हमारा पूरा अचीजा भरा हुआ था, गणगौर भरा हुआ था. Like, people were waiting to come inside. Something again I didn't think I'll say. That was the fastest sellout we had. 48 minutes, 30 kgs mithais. Yeah. Opening night was...
Oh shit. गैस बंद हो गई. लाइटर दीजिए तो. भैया को मैं बहुत ही मानता हूँ, मतलब अपने परिवार की जैसी मैं समझते हैं मेरे को भी. तो काम में भी भैया बोलते हैं कि बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है, करता रहा ऐसी मेहनत. काफ़ी टाइम हो गया भैया के साथ मेरे को भी. भैया ने जो सिखाया वो मेरे को किसी ने नहीं सिखाया. उन्होंने मेरा बहुत ही साथ दिया है.
Bad experiences with brands. Oh my god, what are you saying all the fucking time? Like, all the time. See, I won't say all brand experiences have been bad, just that I feel sometimes that a lot of brand endorsements look like advertisements. And I've been very clear with my agencies that if I'm working on a campaign, don't make it look like an ad film. Like, I'm not an actor doing endorsements. Like, there are actors who will say, oh, I promote a no sugar life, and then do an ad for a Ferrero Rocher. Like, my bro, you're talking about fitness and influencing the world with like no sugar diets, and then you're promoting Coca-Cola. I'm pretty brash about it, yaar. Ya to acha hai, ya to nahi acha. They're very, don't follow a script, be truthful. Because a lot of times what happens is brands give out these guidelines. And there are these 72 pages that they'll give you. Follow this, follow that, follow this, follow that, follow this, follow that. And then they'll be like, no. You don't have to follow a script. I'm like, my brother, every word that I have to say is here. Every word I don't have to say is here. So just tell me what I should and what I should not.
फिर मैंने सोचा मैं भी आज से स्वीट बंद कर दूंगी खाना.
No. It happened the other way around. I stopped eating for her. Jokes aside, as light-hearted I may make diabetes sound, it's not the easiest lifestyle. I can't even imagine how kids today living with diabetes manage, and how I managed 13-14 years back, abstaining from so much. I'll give you a small example. If I eat a certain kind of carb in the night, say if I have fried rice or biryani or something, because I enjoy eating my food, I will wake up with a dry throat the next morning. And dry throat is not normal कि एक घुट पानी पिए सही हो गया. वो आधा एक घंटे तक बोल नहीं पाता हूँ मैं. मुझे खराश होती है. I feel irritated. I'm just like, I'm not able to talk. I need a lot more water. And there are random nights where I go into a hypoglycemia. So hypoglycemia is like a water slide. Sugar levels start going down and down and down until there's something that can help it stop. I have to have something sweet. My hands will start shaking, shivering. I'll start feeling cold. So yeah, hypoglycemia happens, sore throat happens, dry throat happens. And ये सब internet की बातें नहीं है. This is reality of like people today. And as much as we may hate to be made to sound like that, we are currently 28% officially diabetic Indians. And we're nearing 12% pre-diabetic. So we're not very far from the next decade where 40% of India will be diabetic or pre-diabetic. Maybe which is why something that I love to do as a messaging is so important. There is a journey behind it to understand that if I'm having paneer...
We want to know the story.
पता नहीं, बट आई थिंक लोग बोलते हैं अगर हर्ष थोड़ा सा वजन कम कर ले और मैं बढ़ा लूँ तो एक जैसे दिखेंगे।
कभी कभी ना मन करता है सर फोड़ लो अपना दिमाग से। फक मैन, ही डज दिस एवरी डे टू मी, ही राइल्स मी अप सो मच, कैन यू इमेजिन? तू रिकॉर्डिंग बंद कर भाई। कैमरा लेके खड़ा हो गया।